Carburetors. Does your car have one? This is a Holly that's in process. When we get done, it'll look like brand new, just like this Holly. This is a 670 Holly vacuum secondary carburetor. Holly carburetors come in two styles, vacuum secondary or mechanical secondary. These are vacuum secondary springs. They tell the vacuum secondaries to open sooner or later, depending on what you want to do. White is going to open up the quickest. Black will not open all the way. The spring in this pod allows the vacuum secondaries to open sooner or later, depending on demand. This car has too heavy of a spring in it. We're going to change the spring out to a lighter spring and then road test the car. We should have more responsiveness and more performance out of the engine. Edelbrock, Rochester, and Carter also have carburetors that we can rebuild for you. If your car has a thermal quad, or has a Holly, or has an Edelbrock, bring it to Pals. We can make it like new again. See you soon.